What is going on, you guys? Welcome to Wise Guy Unboxed, and today we are going to take a look at Amazon Basics circular polarizer filters. I'll put the link in the description, and now let's unbox this motherfucker. You get anything else in the box? That's it, pretty much it. I recently unboxed different one. This is 58mm circular polarizer filter. What it basically does, it protects your camera lens, and also it prevents various sun flares and UV lights from your picture. Now I'm gonna demonstrate this by putting it on my 55 to 250mm lens. Let's see. Just screw this on and you're pretty much set. You can also put the cap back on like that. No hassle at all. Pretty simple, pretty basic. Very important camera accessories to protect your lens. A must have. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll give this product a massive 8 out of 10. Thank you for checking out my unboxing video. Follow me on social media. I'll put the link in the description. Till next time, peace out.